Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to find some games on the Google Play Store but they're not visible there in DOOGEE X95. To do this, first let's open a Google Play Store and try to locate, for example, Call of Duty. And as you can see, it's right here, but we can't click on it. And to fix this problem, we'll need to go back, then select your profile picture, open Settings, locate Family, then Parental Controls. Here either disable Parental Controls entirely, or go for Apps and Games, enter the PIN code, then increase PG to 18 or 16, save the settings and go back. Now if we look for the game again, it should be right here on the top and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.